Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on CSS Outline. In this tutorial, you will explore the CSS Outline property and learn how to enhance the visual appearance and accessibility of HTML elements using Outline. So, let's start it by understanding what CSS Outline is all about. In web development, the CSS Outline property allow you to create a visible border-like effect around HTML elements and without affecting their layout. So, in this example, and now I am create is outline HTML file. So, first of all, I am create is button and button class is first outline and type is now I am create anchor tag is a and hypertext reference is hash and class is second outline and it's and now I am create is input element is type is text and class is no focus outline and placeholder is no focus outline. So save this code and now I am create CSS outline. In this HTML document with different elements is showcasing various outline style. And now I am create is CSS outline property is a versatile tool with various options. So now I am create is first of all I am create styling the button with a basic outline. So dot first outline is 2 pixel and solid is color of hash. Now I am create is padding is 10 pixel and margin is 10 pixel. And now I am create styling the link with a second outline dot curly braces is outline 3 pixel solid dash and color is and now its padding is 10 pixel and margin is 10 pixel and text decoration is none. So now I am also create no focus outline. Outline is curly braces. Outline is none and border is 2 pixel solid and now create is padding and 10 pixel and margin is 10 pixel. So save this code and run. Is As you can see, the result is you are applied different outline styles to our element, demonstrating the versatility of the CSS outline property. And you can create a basic outline using outline followed by the width, style and color, and customize the outline style to dash, dot or any other pattern. And in this CSS outline creates a border-like effect around elements without affecting layout. You can customize the outline style, width and color. Ensure accessibility by providing focus outline for interactive elements. With this knowledge, you can enhance the visual appearance and accessibility of your web project using CSS Outline. So, that's work on our exploration of CSS Outline. I hope you now have a solid understanding of how to use it effectively in your HTML markup. Hello everyone, welcome to. In this video, we are delving into the world of CSS text. CSS text allow you to control how text appears on your web pages, from fonts and size to color and spacing. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your text styling skills, this video is here to guide you. So, let's get started. So, text color is the color property is used to set the color of the text. The color is specified by a color name is like red, a hexa value and RGB value. Look at CSS color values for a complete list of possible color values. So now I am create is in this example of text color and background color, we define both the background color property and the color property. So now I am create is h1 div is hello web developer. Now I am also create is div element and just create is dummy text and save this code. Now I am create style.css. So suppose first I am create body section is curly braces and background color is light gray and color is blue. Now I am also create h1 tag and curly braces is background color is black and text color is white. Now I am also create is div section is background color is blue violet and its color is white, and save this code and run. As you can see, the h1 tag is web Hello web developer. Background color is black and div section is violet. So, in this example, we demonstrate how to style text using CSS properties, resulting in visually appearing and well formatted. So, that wraps up our exploration of CSS text. You are learned how to style text properties, change font style, and adjust text size and spacing using CSS. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are exploring the world of CSS fonts. CSS allow you to customize the fonts on your web pages, giving your content a unique and style appearance. You are a web developer or a design enthusiast. This video will guide you through the art of font styling in CSS. So let's get started. Here is what we will cover in this video. First, font families and generic fonts, font size and width, applying custom fonts, and in this video, CSS offers a variety of font related properties to enhance your text. So now create is paragraph tag is welcome to my web page, and now I'm create is s1 tag hello everyone and save this code. In this example, we are defined font families and used generic fonts as a fallback for compatibility. So now I'm create CSS file is p. Its font family is Arial, Helvetica, and sans serif is. Now I am create font size is 16 pixel, and now I am create font weight is bold. Now I am also create is h1 tag is font family is times, and now I am create is font size is 36 pixel, and now I am create font weight is normal. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is hello everyone and welcome to my web page. So now I am discuss is you can control font size and weight to create visual hierarchy in your content. So let's create is h2 tag is change and copy and paste em and paste. So save this code and now it's change. So first of all I'm create h2 and curly braces is font size 24 pixel and font weight is bold, and I'm create is em and curly braces font size is 18 pixel and font weight is normal. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is hello everyone and welcome to my web page. It's changed different element to emphasize content. You are adjust font size and weight. So now I am also create a applying custom fonts. So CSS allow you to use custom fonts to make your design stand out. So first of all I am create is block code water is and create is hello programmer and save this code. And now I am create CSS file first where body tag and curly braces is font family is open sans and is now create is sans serif and its block word curly braces and font family is lobster and is cursive and save this code and run. In this code example, we have applied custom fonts like open sans and lobster to specific element. So, in this example is demonstrated how to control fonts in CSS, resulting in visually appealing and structured text. That's our exploration of CSS fonts. We are learned how to choose font families, adjust font size and weight, and even apply custom fonts to your web pages using CSS. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are diving into the world of CSS icons. Icons are a fundamental part of web design, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create and style icons using just CSS. We are a web developer or a design. This video will equip you with the skill to add customized icon to your web project. So let's get started. CSS icons are a graphical elements created and styled using only CSS, eliminating the need for image file. CSS icon. How to add icons? The simplest way to add an icon to your HTML pages, you can an icon library such a font awesome. Add the name of the specified icon class to any inline HTML element. So let's create. Now I am create bootstrap icon. The use bootstrap at the following line inside the head section of your HTML pages. So now create is first I am create icon I and class is and now I am again type is cloud icon. So save this code and copy, paste and paste and paste. Now its change is this line is remove and its line user and next line is involve and last one is so. Save this code and run. As you can see, the result is printed. So now I am again trying Google icons. They use the Google icon at the following line inside the head section of your HTML pages. So let me create. Now I am just copy link section is fonts.googleapis.com. It's a most fantastic and unique site for icon. So now I am create is icon class is material icons and is cloud and copy this line and paste. So change it, this icon is favorite and change its attachment and next one computer and last one is traffic. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is printed. So in this video, that's work on our exploration of CSS icon. I hope you now have the skills to create and style icons for your web project using pure CSS. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on creating a CSS navbar, so navigation bar. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to design and implement a styled and functional navigation bar using HTML and CSS. Navigation bars are an essential part of any website, and by the end of this video, you will have the skill to create your own customized navigation bar. So before we dive into the code, let's first understand the basic structure of a navigation bar. A typical navigation bar consists of a list of link or menu items that user can click to navigate through different sections of a website, creating the HTML structure of. So I am create is nav and now create is div and div class is logo and its logo. Then I am create ul is and another list is class of menu and in this under is list element is element anchor tag is hyper reference is equal hash and its home and copy this line and paste. So it's change about and change this line is services and its portfolio and in this line is contact. So save this code, and now I am styling the navigation bar in CSS. Now let's move on the CSS part. You will style our navigation bar to make it visually appealing and functional. So first of all, I am create is body, curly braces is body UL, and its margin is 0 and padding is 0. So now I am styling the navigation bar. Now curly braces is background color is and its color is and display is flex, and now I am create is justify content is space between, and now I am create is align items is center, and now I am create is padding is 10 pixel and 20 pixel. So now I am create is logo.css file, and font size is 20 pixel, and font weight is bold, and dot menu bar is menu, and curly braces is list, style type is none, and display is flex. Now I am again create is dot menu list, curly braces, and margin right is 20 pixel. So now I am create is dot menu list, and last child is margin right is 0, and I am again create dot menu anchor tag, and text decoration is none, and color is #FFF, and font weight is bold, and transition is color 0.3 second. So now I am create is dot menu A, and hover is curly braces, and color is #007B and FF. So we are save this code and run in this code, as you can see, the result is we are created a separate CSS file and applied style to our navigation. So we are set the background color and adjust the spacing and customize the font and color. So in this tutorial that works on our creating a CSS navigation bar. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in building your own navigation bar. Remember, navigation bars are not just functional, they are also an essential part of your website's design. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on creating a CSS image gallery. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to design and build a stunning image gallery using HTML and CSS. Image galleries are a fantastic way to showcase your photos or artwork, and by the end of this video you will have the skill to create your own eye-catching gallery. So let's understand what an image gallery is and why it's important. An image gallery is a collection of images displayed together, often the feature like thumb and navigation. It's common component in website, especially for photographers, artists, and e-commerce sites. So, to create our image gallery, let's start with the HTML structure. Here a simple example. So, now first of all, I am create is div and closing. Now, div class is gallery, and in this div class inside is a, and anchor tag is target is blank, and hyper reference is image and image1. So in this tag inside is image, and image source is image folder, and image1, and is alter equal is e and carry. So, and in this line is width is 600 pixel and height is 400 pixel. So anchor tag, now I am anchor tag complete. Now I am again create is div class is class and SE, and description is add a description of the image here, and copy this code, copy and paste. Now change this image is image2, and in this change is image2. Now in this image change image3, and this image is image3, and in this image also change image4, and in image4. Now complete the gallery HTML section. Now save this code, and I am create is in this. Now let's move on the CSS part. We will style our image gallery to make it visually. Now simply create is div dot gallery curly braces is margin is 5 pixel and border is 1 pixel solid hash C. And now I am also create is float, and float is left, and I am create is width is 180 pixel. Now I am also create is div dot gallery, and hover is border and is 1 pixel and solid hash 777. Now I am create is div dot gallery image is curly braces width is 100% and height is auto. Now I am create is div description is description and curly braces is padding is 15 pixel and text align is center. And now save this code and run this code, and as you can see the result is printed its image, and this is add a description of the image here. So in this video, and that works is gallery section, div gallery, and hover is color, and div gallery image, and div this. So again save this code and run. As you can see the result is hover. You can see this is hover, and that's work on our tutorial on creating CSS image galleries. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in building your own image galleries. Remember, image galleries are a fantastic way to showcase your work or photos in a visually appealing way. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on CSS links. In this tutorial, we will dive into the world of styling hyperlinks using CSS, adding a touch of creativity and interactivity to your web pages. So let's begin by understanding what CSS links are all about. In web development, CSS allow us to style hyperlinks, making them visually appealing and provide user feedback when interacting with them. So now let's see this links style in action. Create is p tag under is anchor tag, and now hyperlink reference is hash, and its unvisited link. Now I am create is another p tag, and anchor tag is hyperreference is hash, and class is visited, and is visited link. So save the, and its line is copy and paste. So change it, class name is hover, and its so in this class name is active and this is change click me. So save this code. Now I am create is HTML styling unvisited link is anchor tag. So text decoration is none and color is hash. Now I am create is font weight is bold. So now I am create visited CSS visited is its color green. Now I am create styling the hover icon is hover and curly braces is color is so now I am again create is active and active and curly braces color is so save this code and run. As you can see, the result is unvisited link, visited link and hover link, and this line is color name is so visited color, hover color and active color and text decoration non font weight is bold. So in this cell is perfectly working unvisited, visited, hover and click me. So as we are applied different link style to our HTML links, making them visually engaging and interactive. So now I am create is custom link. So next again is p-tag under is anchor and create is range is hash and class name is custom link and it's custom link. So save this code and now I am create is dot custom link and curly braces is text decoration is none and color is blue and font weight is bold and background color is hash FFC107 and now is padding 8 pixel and 16 pixel, and border radius is 5 pixel. So save this code and run. As you can see, the custom link is printed, and now I am again create is custom hover link. So dot custom link is hover. So background color is this color, and color is white. So save this code and run. As you can see, this is changed. It's white. Previous color is blue and hover color is white. So you can create is custom link style by adding background colors, padding and border radius. The hover state can change background color and text color for added interactivity. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on CSS list. In this tutorial, we are explore how to style and enhance the appearance of HTML lists using CSS, adding a touch of creativity and reliability to your web content. So, let's begin by understanding what CSS lists are all about. Lists are a common way to display information in a structured manner on web pages. CSS allow us to take control of the styling and layout of this list. So, first of all, I am create is top 5 cities to visit for S2 tag. So, now I'm create is top 5 cities to visit. So, now I am create is order list, and now I am create is list. So it's new work city, and copy this line and paste. So this city is Paris, and this city is Tokyo, and in this city is Rome, and in this city is Canada. So save this code, and now I am create style.css. So first of all, I am create styling order list is OL, and list style type is decimal, and color is brown, and now I am create styling is list item. So its color is font size 18 pixel and margin bottom is 10 pixel. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is top 5 cities to visit: New York City, Paris, Tokyo, Rome, and Canada. So in this color is, now I am change it hash 00 blue. So save this code and again run just as usual. So we are applied CSS style to our order list, making it more appearing. So now I am create is styling list with colors. We can also style list with color to make them look a little interesting. Anyone added order list or affect the entire list, so will affect the individual list items. So let's create is, I am create 5 cities and just create is change is UL and UL. So as usual, list is New York City, Paris, Tokyo, Rome. So now I am create is UL and list copy. So just no New York City. I am create CSS style with color. So just create is this line is delete and I am create is order list and background is hash ff and okay. And now I am create padding is 20 pixel. So now I am create is UL. So background is hash 3399 and double F. So and padding this line is 20 pixel. So now I am create is OL and list is background is hash double F E5 color and color is darked and padding is 5 pixel and margin left is 35 pixel and in this line is, so now I am create UL list is background is hash full C E FF. Okay, 5F. So and color is dark blue and this sky is margin is 5 pixel. So save this code and now not changes. So I am just create is this line is change, and I am just create is ul tag under is list, and suppose coffee, and this line is copy and paste, and just change it tea, and it's Coca-Cola. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result coffee, tea, Coca-Cola. And in this video, hello everyone, I am just in this code in little mistakes. So now I am just create is no added list .css file in this HTML file. So now I am add hyper reference is list.css. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is printed. It's this output, previous output is not same. It's a correct and perfectly working in CSS order list. So in this video, that's work on our exploration of CSS list. I hope you now have the skill to stay and enhance order and unordered list on your web practice. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video on CSS positions. In this tutorial, we will explore the various position values in CSS and how they allow you to precisely control the placement of HTML elements on your web page. So let's start it by understanding what CSS positions are all about. Positioning in CSS refers to how elements are placed within their containing element. CSS provides several position properties values to help us achieve specific layouts and placement. So first of all, I'm here create static positions. So div is class of static box, and it's a static box, so it's capital. And so save this code, and I am now create is the default position value for most element is static, which means elements are placed in the normal flow of the document. Now I am applying static position dot static box, and position is static, and background color is #7 PFF. And now I am create is color white, and now I am create is padding of 10 pixels. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is a static box. Now I am create is relative position of HTML. Relative position allow you to adjust the position of an element relative to its normal position in the document follow. So now let's see relative position in action is just change it relative box and its change. So as you can now copy this code and paste. So its relative box and its change is relative box. So save this code and now I am creating is applying for relative position dot relative box and curly braces is position is relative and top of 20 pixel and left is 30 pixel and background color is #F6600. So now this color is white and padding is 10 pixel. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is relative box is left 30 pixel. So now I am also create is absolute position. So now let's see absolute position in action. So first of all I am create is div and div class is container and its another div is class is absolute box select box and its so save this code and CSS file I am applying absolute position is dot container curly braces position is position is relative and width is 300 pixel and height is 20 pixel and now I am create is absolute box and curly braces position is absolute and top is 50 pixel and left is 50 pixel and background color is hash. So now I am in this color is white and padding is 10 pixel. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is absolute box. In this box and position of CSS that's a wrap on our exploration of CSS position. I hope you now have a solid understanding of how to use these values to control element placement and on your web page. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video on CSS Overflow. In this tutorial, we will dive deep into the overflow property in CSS, which allow you to control how content is displayed when it overflow it containing element. Understanding overflow is crucial for handling content that too large for a designed space. So, CSS overflow property specific whether to clip the content or to add scroll bars when the content of an element is too big to fit in the specific area. The overflow property is visible, hidden, scroll, and auto, similar to scholar, but it adds scholar bars only when necessary. So first of all, I am create is the overflow is visible. Now I am create is div and closing now. So div class is intro. So now I am create lorem is showing and so this is div class and now I am create is visible for CSS class. So first of all I am create is div and curly braces is with 200 pixel and height is 65 pixel and background color is coral and overflow is visible. Follow is visible. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is this line is visible. So now I am create is another overflow is hidden. With the hidden overflow, the overflow is clipped and the rest of the content is hidden. So just I am create is div curly braces overflow is hidden. So save this code and run. This is hidden overflow and now I am create is another overflow is scroll. Setting the value to scroll, the overflow is clipped and a scroll bar is added to scroll inside the box. Note this will add a scroll bar both horizontally and vertically. So let's try it. I am create is div, it's div and curly braces is overflow is scroll. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is overflow and now I am create is auto overflow. So the auto overflow value is too similar to a scroll but it adds scroll bar only when necessary. So I am create and change it auto. So save this code and run. As you can see, this is a auto scroll bar. So in this video, we are overflow from overflow X and overflow is Y. The overflow X and Y property specified when to change the overflow of content just horizontally or vertically. And just I am create is div section under is div and overflow from X is hidden. This line means overflow X is specific what to do with the left-right edge of the content, and it's a horizontal scroll bar. Now I am create is overflow is scroll, and this line means it's add vertical scroll bar. So save this code and run. As you can see, the result is this is scroll bar and hidden. So in this tutorial, that's work on our exploration of CSS overflow. I hope you have a solid understanding of how to use this property to manage content that exists of containers boundaries.